In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. Whether you're managing a budget, tallying a score, or simply keeping track of numbers, being able to quickly sum a column in Notion can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive in and look at how you can do this step by step. First, you'll need to open Notion. If you haven't already signed into your account, make sure to do so. You can either use the web version or the desktop app. Both will work just fine for what we're about to do. Once you're in, navigate to the database that contains the column you'd like to sum. Notion structures information within pages, so ensure that you select the correct page that houses your database. If your database is embedded within a page, just scroll down to it. Remember, clarity in naming your databases and the columns within them can save you a great deal of time. With your database open, you'll want to identify the specific column that you wish to sum up. This might be a column holding numbers such as expenses, scores, or counts. Right-click on the header of that column. This action will open up a menu with various calculation options. From this menu, you'll want to look for the section labeled Calculate. Hover over it and you'll see a submenu appear. Within this new menu, click on More. This expansion will give you access to a variety of functions you can apply to your data, providing a flexible way to manipulate and analyze your information. In the list of options, select Sum. And just like that, Notion will automatically calculate and display the sum of all the values in the selected column. This sum appears at the bottom of the column, offering an immediate visual confirmation of your data. This functionality can be particularly useful in a wide range of scenarios. Need a quick total for your team's project hours? Sum it up in seconds. Want to know how much you've spent? Let Notion do the math. It's a small feature, but one that can be incredibly powerful and versatile for anyone using Notion on a daily basis. If you regularly utilize this feature, you might also find it helpful to explore other calculation options available under the Calculate menu, such as finding the average, maximum, or minimum values within a column. These options can provide deeper insights into your data, enhancing your productivity. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sum a column in Notion, empowering you to manage your data more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.